So if you've been wondering if an inversion table is right for you, today's video is for you. I'm Dr. Greg Gersten with Align Wellness Center, where I've been helping people for the last 20 years to remove the blockages from their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives. So an inversion table is one of those things where you wind up clamping your ankles in and you flip yourself over so that you're upside down. And they're real popular. It seems as though I've been getting asked about this a lot lately. So one of the things that's really great about this is removing your body from gravity, right? We love to wind up decompressing the spine and taking pressure off the spine. However, the challenges with an inversion table is if the spine is in a bad position and we take pressure off it, it's still in that bad position. So some of the spine will decompress, but the other part will stay restricted. This is not good for you, and why an inversion table is not ideal for most people. If you're not sure whether or not you've had shifts or kinks that may wind up preventing the inversion table from being good for you, you gotta visit with a corrective chiropractor to figure that out. If it is right and your spine does have mobility, inversion is great. It winds up elongating our spine and decompressing the vertebrae. It helps to stimulate the brain in a different way that it's used to. It takes pressure off of some of the blood vessels so that they can have an easier time, and it can be really helpful. But if it's not right and your spine is not right, then it can be really bad for you. If you've got questions about whether an inversion table is right for you or not, feel free to write them down below. If you've got questions about other things or need help with finding a corrective chiropractor to help in determining if an inversion table is right for you, go ahead and write down below. I look to reach out to all individuals that wind up asking questions to help them find the resources that they need. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.